Steam like a boss. Ditch dirt, grime and chemicals with this all-in-one cleaning beast. Forget scrubbing till your arms ache. Meet the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner, your new chemical-free cleaning MVP. This powerhouse blasts away grease, grime, and bacteria with 275 degrees Fahrenheit superheated steam, sanitizing floors, kitchens, bathrooms, upholstery, and even car interiors without a drop of toxic cleaner. Its 17-piece kit means no mess is off limits, from stubborn grout stains to streaky windows. Why waste money on overpriced cleaners when steam does it better? One tool, endless possibilities, and a level of clean you didn't even know was possible. This ain't your average steamer. While others fizzle out, the Neat Steam Cleaner delivers up to 50 minutes of continuous steam power on a single fill. That's nearly an hour of grime-busting magic without refilling. It's compact, portable, and crazy effective, making deep cleaning every corner of your home and car effortless. Unlike weak steamers that leave surfaces damp, this low-moisture steam dries within seconds, so no waiting around. Dirt, grease, bacteria, meet your worst nightmare. Why keep buying overpriced sprays and wipes when this one-time investment replaces them all? The Dupray Neat is a game-changer. No more wasting money on chemical cleaners that don't even work that well. With just tap water, this steamer melts away stains, deodorizes furniture, disinfects surfaces, and even removes wallpaper glue. Talk about getting your money's worth. Eco-friendly? Check. Budget-friendly? Check. Life-changing clean? Oh, absolutely. With its rugged design and pro-grade attachments, this steam cleaner doesn't just work, it dominates. Unlike flimsy models that barely survive a deep clean, the Neat is built for battle, handling everything from grout scrubbing to car detailing with ease. The washable microfiber pads and reusable brushes mean zero ongoing costs, just steam, clean, and reuse. And with a 2-year warranty, you know you're getting reliability that lasts. A clean home and peace of mind? That's what we call a win-win. Floors? Spotless. Carpets? Refreshed. Upholstery? Deodorized. Car interior? Looking brand new. This is the ultimate cleaning upgrade. Whether you're tackling pet messes, kid spills, greasy ovens, or foggy mirrors, the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner makes every chore easier, faster, and way more satisfying. Skip the elbow grease, go full steam ahead. Hit that buy now button and experience the most powerful, chemical-free clean of your life.